What's up there, YouTubers? Been a very long time. As you can see, it's a little bit different out here. A lot of things happened. Family moved, land moved, gun range moved, I moved. I am at some specific location down in the south where there's mountains put it together, Appalachians, whatnot. But I found out if you drive out to the sticks, you can get a gun range to yourself. Now, this gun range, it could be cleaner. That's something I might help out with because this is why we lose gun ranges. So, this is my first time out here, and I want to show you what I've been working on. I've been working on this for quite a while. It was sad. It was 4 parts. But now, I believe, after today, this is why I'm here. We're going to test it. It's kind of scary, but I believe it should work. Trench shotgun.
Securing the flag. Hold those vermin back.
It doesn't have too many features on it, but it does have the right insignias, US and whatnot. It did go to Europe based on my findings. The heat shield is missing, but it does have the bayonet mount, which is cool. The hammer needed a lot of work. It was worn out. A lot of the pins and stuff were broken. The left extractor was just completely gone. That's all replaced, as you can see right there. And now I've gotten it to where it'll work. So hopefully it does. It's going to be a little scary. Safety is always recommended when doing stuff like this. So we're going to start out slow, and I'll show you how. Snap caps. This is the first time I've ever loaded anything up into this gun because, you know, if I did it at home, I didn't feel like doing drywall work. These are just snap caps. Let's see if they cycle. Fire. Cycle. No! Why didn't you extract? This is no good. Come on, baby. Let's do it. There we go. Okay. Not ideal. There we go. We're not all the way into the battery there. If we're not all the way into a battery, I'm really worried about having an outer battery detonation because this bolt can fly back and that wouldn't be safe. It's good to go. There we go. Just give it a little bit of a, you know, encouragement, if you will. Fired. Damn it. It didn't extract. Why are you not extracting? I'm thinking maybe, just maybe, these extractors are ripping on this plastic too much. Unfortunate. Let me go see if I can find a stick. One of the benefits to having a trashy range is I found this piece of wire, so you know what I'm going to do with that. Okie doke. Still not coming out. There it is. Okay. That's that. So the snap caps were an utter and complete failure. But they were made of plastic, so maybe that has to do with the extraction. They should extract. That's what I don't like. It seems like they were getting stuck in the chamber. We'll investigate that here. Now I'm going to use a live round, as in I've taken all the shot out of it, and we should just have a nice little bang without any serious pressure building up. I want to see if it fires, and that might also help with extraction by pushing the case a little bit more into the bolt. I'm going to not have the bolt anywhere near my face. I'm going to kind of fire it like that. So here goes nothing. Okay. Detonation. Nice. And let's see. Woo! That's promising. That's a ton of powder in there. Okay, let's put a live round in and see how that goes. Okay, so I can tell from the magazine tube, the spring is pretty weak after all these years. But let's see how it does. And let's go. Okay. Hey! Cool. Cool, cool. You're witnessing this with me. That's neat. Oh. Failure to extract. Okay. Okay. Fall out of there. So now it has fired, and I'm gonna do that thing that they say this gun will do, where it'll empty all the shells out. Neat. It did. This gun, it's awesome. I don't know why they don't make them like this anymore. Besides the fact that the extractor is a little iffy. There it goes. No worries. So the story behind this guy is that it was found in an attic of a home that was condemned, and they just found it. And the stock was cut off. It was not in good shape at all. Most of the pins, most of the screws were too rusted shut, or they were broken. And it just was really sad. The wood was all cracked. So therefore, I went and I got Boyd's. Now, I would have preferred to have gotten an original stock, but given that this is not a mint gun, and I kind of like the patina of it being old style, why would I ever really want to make it pretty again? It looks awesome. It's totally badass. And if I wanted to make a shooter out of it, this is one of the guns to do that with. So, I digress. This is why you get a World War I shotgun. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Double feed, but it's still pretty cool. I want you guys to see what happened there. So the mag tube is feeding back into the shell, which wants to come up, but it's blocked by the fired shell that's in the chamber, and it's totally locked up, and I'm probably going to need a pocket knife because it's pretty stubborn. Okay, so I grew up with Remington 870s, various different types of shotguns, and not a single one of them has this feature, and I just adore it. That's so adorable! All right, this is for you fine folks out there who want to see how the action works. Smoky. Not bad. Not bad at all, man. Oh, come on, baby. Little love. It's old. Lean battery. I don't like that. I don't think we're full lean battery. This might be catastrophic. Look at that extractor. It's bent. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, how am I gonna get you back without blowing up in my face? Let's not record this. This would not be ideal, to say the least. Now let's rock and roll. Yeah. John Wick. Tactical. The thing to know with this guy, don't ever shoot magnums out of it. Don't shoot magnum slugs, magnum buckshot, nothing magnum. It was designed for smokeless powder, but powder has come a long way in over 100 years. So don't abuse it. And I wanted to see if it worked. Now I'm not going to abuse it. I'm going to cherish it. It does indeed work. And I might even take it hunting. Resurrected from the ashes, quite literally, and it works just fine. I'm the Hippie Gunner. Comment, share, and subscribe. Whatever you want to do. I'm thinking about coming up with a new slogan. Be safe and abide. Yeah? Sounds pretty good.